Hello, now can you hear me? So differences between product management and operation management and characteristics of OPM. Then after, next, recent trends in the production and operation management. So what are the characteristics? Can anyone say fastly? MD of SS, MD of SS online. Characteristics. What happened? Characteristics of modern operation management.
Ma'am, manufacturing as a competitive advantage,
Yes.
disappearance of smokestacks,
Yes.
service orientation,
Yes.
small
Next
has
small
become
is
beautiful.
beautiful. Okay. Next. What are the modern operation management characterized by? What? DGP of TRCS. So what is that? Disruption, globalization, pressure for optimization, technological development. Next, requirement for supreme service at an affordable price. Next, changing the needs and preferences of customers and shorter product life cycle. Next one, recent trends in production and operation management we have seen. Next, demand forecasting. What is demand and what is forecasting? What is demand? Online, what is demand? Demand is what? Desire of the consumer to buy something for free. No, for some consideration. Okay. So what are the sources of what is forecasting? What is forecasting online? Predicting the future. Next, where we can get the source of information related to forecasting? Sources of information where we can get for estimation of our business. Go through market report, sales force opinion, experts view. Yes. Yeah. Okay, market report, sales force opinion, experts view, industry report, point of sales data, structured customer survey and field report. Next, what are the range of period for forecasting? Short term, long term and medium term. Next.
Medium term.
Yes. Next, what are the steps for forecasting? So what are the steps for forecasting? So what we are forecasting? Next. Huh?
The
Tell
period.
me. Period. Next.
Method.
Method of
Objective.
forecasting. Next.
Gather information.
Gather information.
Source and
Yes.
secondary
Okay,
source.
there are the 4 steps for forecasting. One is what we are forecasting, then repeat, then period, then method, then source of information where we need to get it. Next, what are the forecasting methods? Qualitative
Quantitative.
and quantitative.
quantitative. What is the qualitative method? We have not gone through, right? Oh, no? Yes. So qualitative method. Let us see qualitative method. What happened to it? Qualitative method. So survey of buyer's intention or user's expectation method. Then collective opinion or sales force composite method, or group executive judgment and executive judgment method, expert's opinion, market test method. So what is the survey of buyer's intention or user's expectation method? Survey of buyer's intention. Whenever we buy a product, what is our intention of buying that product? So for what purpose we are buying? What we are expecting in return from that product? Okay? So the company or some person will make a survey regarding the product, how it is useful to the customer, and what the customer are expecting from our products. Okay? Next, collective opinion or sales force composite method. So collective opinion or sales force composite method means they will collect an opinions from whom? From sales force, okay, to estimate the demand. Okay, this is also one of the method for estimating the demand. Then group executive judgment, these are not that important, but just go through. Okay, expert opinion, then market test method. Okay, these are the 5 methods in what qualitative. Okay, next quantitative, this is important. Quantitative में क्या होता है? There are 2 types of methods in quantitative. One is regression analysis and second one is time series analysis. So one is regression and one is, so first one is what?
Regression analysis.
Regression analysis. Okay. So what is regression analysis? Let us see. So you can see in your book. So the causal method or the regression analysis method is expressed in what form? D of t is equal to f of f1, f2 and f3 and so on f of n. Okay, d of t is equal to f means it will be influenced by the factors, sorry, f1, f2, f3, f4, so on f of n. So what is this f? So what are these f1, f2, f3, so on? Example C, f1 nothing but these f terms are nothing but which are affecting the demand. Okay, what will affect the demand? Can you tell us some words in your own terms? So what will affect the demand? Demand is affected by price, yes, price, customer needs and preference, then after supply, then after market condition, then after if the product
Quality.
is seasonal based, then a seasonal, next quality, quantity, packing. So these are the terms and etc. will be, it influences the demand. Okay, these are the factors which influences the demand. So f of f1, f2, f3, f4 is nothing but like sales, budget, price, whatever it given in the question. Okay, they will give what is what. Okay, next one. So next one, what is the method? Time series analysis. So in time series analysis there are 4 components. One is trend, then is seasonality, cyclical, then after irregular or random. So what is the formula of this? In additive method, this is second one. What is this? Time series. Time series analysis. Okay. Time series analysis, what is the formula? yt is equal to t plus s plus c plus I. So what is this t plus s plus c plus I? It's nothing but trends, seasonality and cyclical and irregular. So what is this trend component which is influencing the demand? What is the trend? Can anyone? Trend. What is the trend? What is the term trend mean? Which is influencing the demand? Trend is nothing but the movement of the product business like this. It may be sometimes upwards, sometimes downwards, sometimes constant. Okay, this is the trends we can see in our business. Sometimes there will be a high demand, then after low demand, then will be constant, then after high, then low. So this is the trends we can see in business. Okay. Next one, seasonality. Seasonality is a component which affect the demand. So what is seasonality? So where I am selling woolen clothes, so which are required only in winter. If I sell woolen clothes in summer, will they purchase? No, because my clothes are seasonal based. Okay, clothes are seasonal based, so that will affect the demand, right? In winter there will be very much demand for my clothes, woolen clothes. In summer there will be no demand. So seasonality is one of the effect of demand. Then after cyclical. Cyclical is nothing but it's a variation in the product. Okay, business cycle. Cycle is nothing but raw material, process, input. These may change. Okay, these may change due to the customer importance. Okay. Then after irregular variation. Irregular variation is nothing but we don't know what the change have occurred. It may sometime there will be the demand will be huge, and sometimes the demand will be very low, and sometimes the demand will be constant. So like example, stock exchange. We don't know when the price will be going up. Okay, when the stock price will be going up, when it will be coming down, when it will be constant, when we'll go into loss or profit, it's uncertain. So it is irregular and random. Okay. Next. So these are the four components which are affecting the demand in case of what? Which method? Which method? Time series method.
Time
So
series.
yes, time series method में ये four components affect करता है. Next one. So how many problems are there? 4 problems. So you just don't go through your book. So I will tell an easy method to do these sums. Okay. So in this the purpose we have in the page number 20. You can see. So in that only the moving average method is important. It only moving average method is there in your syllabus. Okay. The remaining 4 methods are not important because it's not there in your book. Only moving average method is there. It is used in seasonal variation. Okay. This linear method is used in trends. Okay. Then after this what is this? Parabolic method is also used in seasonal. Okay. So let us see the first question. This will if you go through your material, it will be very complicated to understand the problem because something they have given, okay, will make you very confusing. So write down steps first of all. So now the problems are based on which method? First of all,
Series.
yes, moving average, but it is based on,
Time series analysis.
yes, time series. It's not regression. Okay, based on time series. Okay, right on the top, based on time series. So first the regression equation we have to find is y is equal to a plus b x.
X.
Put it like this. Okay, y is equal to a plus b x. So this is the formula we have to find. Okay, next, so let us go to the question 1. From the following time series data of the sale, project the sales for the next 3 years. So years they have given 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 till 21. So write it in your books, years. So question number 1, write question number 1 and do it in your book. Question number 1, so computation of trend value. So years, so I will do it now. Okay, years, two 2015, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, right? So how many number of years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. Okay, next, so what are the sales units they have given? 80 in 2015, 2016 May 90 and 2017 92, 2018 83, 19 May 94, 22 May 99
Hello.
and 21.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, can you tell me the page number?
28, question number 1. So we have to take the time deviation. So what is the formula? Tell me. Y is equal to, tell me, A
A
plus
plus
A
BX.
plus BX.
B x. Yes.
X.
So we need to find the value A and B through this question. Okay, because these are the constant terms, okay, which are influencing the demand. So we need to find the terms A and B from this question. This is so irritating. So next, so how many number of years are there? There is 7. So what are the sales units they have given? Look it into us. So write the sales units: 80, 90, 92, 83, next 94, next 99, next 92. Okay, if we multiply these years into this, so we'll get a huge number. So this is Y. Okay, sales is, think as Y. So if we multiply these years into this number, sales units, we'll get a huge number. So to make that value very easy, so we need to take the middle one as 0. So what is the middle one? Tell me. 2018. Okay, we'll think this 2018 as 0. So the upper will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next here plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. These are the values we have taken to make our valuation very easily done. Okay. So next. So this is, let us think, x. So this is y. So what's the question is telling us? Y is equal to a plus b of x. So we need to find a. So what is the a formula and b formula? Tell me. B is equal to summation y divided by n. Sorry, a is equal to summation y divided by n, and b is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. So we have only x and y. So we need to find what? Summation y we need, and summation xy we needed, and summation x square also we needed. So we need to find. So summation y we can get from this. Okay. So we need to find summation xy. So summation xy and summation x square. So summation x into y, tell me. 8 3s are 240. Huh?
minus 240.
Yes, minus 240, but 240 is right, no? So can you give me calculator? Okay, but calci is not there. Okay. So 180 minus 92. So it's 0. Next what? 94. So 99 into 2.
198.
198.
Huh?
198.
198. So 192 into 3.
276.
276. So what is this summation? What is this? Tell me. Summation y and summation xy. Tell me the amount. Next, what is summation x square? Minus 3 into 3. 9. 4. 1. 0. 1. 4 and 9. So tell me. So what is this value?
Ma'am, summation y 630 total.
630.
Yes.
Next.
And that xy is 56.
56.
Yes, positive 56.
Plus 56.
56, right? Okay, next. 9 plus 5. 14 plus 14. 14. 28. So this is 28. Okay. Now substitute in this. So a is equal to summation y is 630. The divided by n means 7. And that b summation xy, what is xy? 56 divided by 28. So what is the value of a and b? Tell me. Value of a is equal to 90.
90.
Right. B is equal to
2.
2.
Hmm.
2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone copied this till this. So next, what they have given, from the following time series data of sale project the sales for next 3 years also we need to do. Okay. In question they have mentioned it for next 3 years also we have to do. Next 3 years means 21 they have given, next 22, 23 and 24 also we need to do. Okay. Have you written this? Can I arise? Do it in your books, don't follow your material. So material, if you follow, write this time deviation, computation of trends there, no, this table. This table, can you see? Table में time series from 2004 they have given. So do it as 2018. Okay, 2018. Okay. Next. So they have told us to do for next 3 years. So y is equal to what? Sorry. So y is equal to 2022, y is equal to 2023, y is equal to 2024. So y is equal to what formula? Tell me, what's the formula? A plus bx.
Px.
So what is a? We have got a as 90. So b 2. So into what is this x? Tell me, anyone? Can anyone tell what is that x? How we need to take that x?
Ma'am, 4.
4. But how did you get?
Ma'am, minus 4, 2018 से
Yes.
2022 को माइनस करने से वैल्यू निकल जाएगा.
Yes. Okay. Did you understood? No. So actually we have taken the time deviation from what? 18. So the next year will be here 2022. So what will get if we add like this? So here the number will be 4, 2022 minus 18. Okay. So the x will be 4. Next 90 plus 2. Next one 2023. So 2023 minus 2018. So what is the difference? 5. So next one 2490 plus 2 into 6. So this is the value. 4 2s are 8, 98, 10, 100 and 12, 102. Okay? In units. So these are the estimated sales units in the year 2022, 23 and 24. Everyone clear? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I arise?
Yes, ma'am.
So the second question will you do now? Chalo. Is there any doubt? If it ask me. So do it. Very easy questions. You can do it in 2 to 3 minutes. You have to do these questions in examination. Although it may take time to write, but you need to know the concept. So write in this also the second question. There is a mistake. The time deviation from the middle of 2004 and 5 they have given. Write it as 18 and 19. Okay. In the heading, the table heading, the second one, they have given as 2004 and 5. Write it as 18 and 19. 2018 and 19. So actually in the first question we have took 1 unit as 1 year, but in the second question we have to take 1 unit 6 months as a 1 unit. So we need to take 6 months. Okay. ऑनलाइन इतना कम स्ट्रेंथ क्यों है? ऑफलाइन भी बहुत कम है. If you want to pass, you need to be very regular to classes. So second question. So years 2000. 2016, 17, 17, 2018, 19, 20, 21, right? So these are the years. So what is the sales? So leave one column, then write sales. So this is X and this is Y. Sales 100, 110. Everyone, have you completed? No. So 100, 110, 115, 120, 135, 140. So what is this sum? Sum of y is equal to 7?
720.
720. So in the previous question we have taken 1 year is equal to 1 unit. Okay, but in this question there are, see like that, there are only 6 number of years. So in the previous question there is 7. So in the middle one we have took as 0. But how will you take in this as 0? Can anyone online explain? So we need to select the middle terms. So this is totally 6, right? So what will be the middle years? 2018 and 19. Okay. So 2018 and 19. So we have to take as 1 unit is equal to 6 months. Okay. We need to take 6 months and 6 months from this. Okay. 6 months from 2018 and 6 months from 2019. Then that will be 1 unit. Okay. So in now this will be this differences. Middle one will be 0, like tell 1, next one. So next differences how much, tell me? So 2018 and 17 ka differences how many months? Like if we take as 6 months, so the terms will be 2. But there will be another 6 months in 18 also, so that will be 3 6 months. Okay. Next, then differences between 2018 and 16, 2 years also, and 1 6 months is also there in 2018. So that will be 5. So that will be -3 -5. Everyone clear? Online?
Ma'am,
No,
this one
ma'am.
not understood.
Not understood. Okay. So actually in the previous question there are odd numbers, right? 7. So we have took middle one as a 0. But here the terms are 6 years, right? 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So in 1 year let us take half yearly. Okay, we need to take half yearly. There will be 2 6 months, 2 half years. In this 2 half years, right? In this 2, in this 2, in this 2, and in this. So put it aside. So the middle 2 years will be 2018 and 19 we have to take as a time deviation. So we need to do what? This half year from 2018 and half year from 2019 will be taken as 0. Okay? Okay, is that clear? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next there will be another half year in 2018 and another half year in 2019. Okay. So this is a assume, don't write here, let us assume. So after making this 0, there will be one half year means minus 1, and this there will be another half in 2019 also, so plus 1. Okay, is that clear? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
So next, the differences between 2017 and 18. How much? How many half years? Tell me. Already there is 2 years in, sorry, 2 half years in 2017 and 1 half year in 2018. So will be 3 minus 3. So differences between 2016 and 18. So 2 years in this, 2 years in this, and half year in this. So overall 5 half years. So minus 5. Like that only, same, minus plus 3 plus 5. Now is that clear? Still any doubt? Online? Offline? Tell me clearly. If you don't understand, you cannot verify this question. It's not theory. Okay, it's a practical question. If you are not clear, tell me, I will explain once again. Don't go with half minds in the exam. Online, is that clear? If you want, I will explain once again. Offline, is that clear? Sure? Are you sure? Huh? Is that clear, right? Clear or not? If not, I will tell once again.
मैम और एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
Yeah, sure. So let us take only 3 years for simple explanation, okay? So 2012, 2013, 2014, let us take 4, it's a or even number, right? So 4. So what are the years? 4 years. So what will be the middle years? Tell me.
13 and 14.
13 and 14. Whenever the years are in odd, we can take the middle one as 0. But whenever the years are in even, okay, the total number of years are in even, we have to choose from both the years. Okay, let us divide this year into 6 months. So how many 6 months will be there in 2013? 2. Okay?
2.
Yes, 2. And 14? 2. Right? So first we will assume that 1 6 months from 13 and 1 6 month from 14 as 0. As this is an even number, we cannot take 1 year as 0. So we will take 6 months from that and 6 months from this, and we will make it 1 year and we will think as 0. Okay? Okay, is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then next, assume, don't write over here, just assume. Okay, next. So if that 6 months and this 6 months will be 0, then another 6 months will be there in 2013 and another 6 months will be there in 2014, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to take that 6 months minus 1. We need to assume as 1 minus 1, and this one plus 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So next, So next, what's the differences between 2013 and 12? 1 year. So 1 year में how many 6 months होता है? 2. So 2, the differences between this is 2, but already 1 6 months is there in 2013, right? Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So that will be how many 6 months? 3 terms, 3 units.
3.
3. Yes, this is minus 3, then this is plus 3. If there is another year 2011, think, okay, here 2016. So tell me how will you take? So differences between 2013 and 11 will be 2 years, and another 6 months is there in 2013. So it will be total 5 6 months. Okay, 5 half years. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, here also plus 5. So that is what I am trying to tell in this second question. If that is clear, you can do problem easily. So do that problem and substitute in that. Okay, substitution हो गया. Don't copy from your book. Do it on your own. That's why I am telling to do it in book. If not, you can see from your material also. But why I am telling you to do? Because while doing you will get the doubts. If we can see, we can see this, everything is correct. But when we try to do it on our own, then we will get a doubt. अरे ये कैसे किया है, मुझे अभी नहीं आ रही है, ऐसे करके डाउट्स आते हैं. ठीक है? Completed? Clear? Is that clear, right? Everyone, you clear? हाँ, clear है. फिर से explain करना है, नहीं तो? Tell me, don't panic. नहीं. What's his name? I forgot. What's your name? Tushar. अच्छा. Have you clear? Is it clear? Huh? Sure. So completed? Finished? So in the question they have asked for the sales for the next 5 years also. So can anyone tell how they have done? So someone asked me. Anjana Das, can you explain me now if it is clear? So they have told us to do for the next 5 years also. Sales for the next 5
Yes,
years.
ma'am.
Tell me, y is equal to 2022, y is equal to 2023, y is equal to 2024, y is equal to 2025, and y is equal to 2026. So tell me. So tell me how they have done. A plus, what is the value of A and B? A 120 plus B 4. So what is the value of X? Tell me everyone. 7. How did you got? Can anyone explain me? How did you got 7? Huh? Yes. हाँ. कौन सा 5 plus 2? 21 में 5. हाँ. कहाँ से आएगा 2 units? You don't calculate from this minus 1 plus 1. You need to calculate from years. Okay, you need to calculate from years. Tell me from the point of view of years, not from the point of view of time deviation. You people are adding plus 5 को और 2 ऐड कर रही है. कैसे ऐड कर रही है 2? हाँ, कैसे 2 ऐड कर रही है?
मैम 22 में 2 6 months है.
Yes.
तो 19
So
से लेकर 9.
first easily let us think 2022, right? 2022 minus 19, how much? 3.
3.
So 3 means 6. 6 प्लस ऑलरेडी 2019 में और एक 1 है, 1 6 मंथ्स है ना, सो 7. ओके, नेक्स्ट 120 plus 4, so this one 23 minus, tell me. Tell me. Again question marks. You said everyone are sure. Yes.
Ma'am, 9.
9. How? 23 minus 19. Huh. 4. Yes. 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 So it's 9. Next 120 plus 4 plus 24. So again we need to add 2. 11. Yes. So 120 plus 4 plus, sorry, 120 plus 4. So what? Tell me. What the number? 25 minus 19. 6. 12 plus 1, 13. Next 26 minus 19. How much? 7. 7. 14 plus 1, 15. So this will be your answer. Okay, right? So is that clear now, everyone? Is there any doubt? No? No? So next question we'll do. Okay, so I will tell you one question, then you can do your second question on your own. So first write down the steps. Write down the steps. So step 1. So by following these 4 steps you can easily do this third question. Okay, third type of question. So step 1, regression equation of y on x, that is equal to regression equation of y on x step 1, regression equation of y on x. So y is equal to a plus b x. Okay, a plus bx అనేది. So to find the value, values of a and b, which are constant, so we need to make the summation. Summation of what? Summation of y, that is equal to n of a plus b into summation x is the first equation, summation xy summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. This is the second equation. Both the equations to be solved right over here. Both the equations need to be solved. Written. So this is the first step. Second step, computation of trend value. Second step will be computation of trend value. Third step, by putting the value we get by putting the values we get equation 1 and 2. This will be 1 and 2. So by putting, after the computation of trend value, by putting the values in this equation, we will get the equation 1 and equation 2. Then after, we need to find value A and B. Fourth step is to find the values of A and B. Next. So what's the question? So an investigation into the demand for color TV sets in 5 towns has resulted in the following data. So the population of the towns in lakhs. So X is denoted as 5, 7, 8, 11, 14, and number of TV sets will be denoted as Y. So 9, 13, 11, 15 and 19. So fit a linear regression of X on Y, Y on X, and estimate the demand for CTV sets for 2 towns with a population of 10 lakhs and 20 lakhs. Okay. So they are telling us to find out the CTV sets for 2 towns where the population of town is, first case there is 10 lakhs and second case it is 20 lakhs. So what will be our first step? Writing the formula. So what's the formula? Y is equal to A plus BX. So next formula, what is the formula? Summation Y is equal to N into A plus B into summation X. Next formula, summation XY is equal to A into summation X plus B into summation X square. So we need to find these 3 formulas together. Okay, this is the first equation, we will get, this is the second equation, we will get. Okay, so copy that question. So X and Y. So draw a table and copy that X and Y. So population, so in exam we need to mention this in thousands or it is in lakhs or it is in crores. We need to write on the top. Okay, X 5, 7, 8, 11, 14. So what is the summation of X? Next, Y is equal to number of TV sets, right? TV set, these are in thousands. So 9, 13, 11, 15, right? 15, 19. So what is this summation? Tell me. So what are the values we need to find? Tell me. We got summation x, summation y, and what we need to find from the formula? Look at into the formula. We need to find the values of summation x square and summation xy. So summation xy we need to find and summation x square. So 5 square 25, 7 49, 8 8 64, 11 11 121, 14. Tell me 14. So tell me the summation also. This one, tell me. $45, 91, right? 88, 165, 266. So what is this summation xy? So tell me the summations. 5 plus 7, 14, 25, 30, 30, 38, 45. Next summation y. Everyone doing with me problems online?
Yes, ma'am.
20, 34, 45, 58, 67. So what is the summation xy and summation x square? Tell me. Anyone? $14 square. What is the 14 square? 196. So what is the summation?
Summation xy 655.
655. Then summation x square 455. Huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone copied? So we need to put these values in equation 1 and equation 2. So put these values in equation 1 and 2. What is the equation 1? Summation y is equal to a into n plus b into summation x. So what is the value of y? Summation y 67. That is equal to a into n. How many? N? 5, right? 5a plus b into summation 45. So now the equation will be like 67 is equal to 5a plus 45b. So this is the first equation. What the second equation will be? Tell me the equation. Formula summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. So summation xy is equal to 655. So a into summation x 45 plus b into summation x square 455. So now the equation will be 655 45a plus 455b. So this will be the second equation. Okay, completed? Can I erase this? So now what we need to do? Tell me. So we got two equations. What we need to do? So but we didn't get the values of A and B, right? So we need to solve equation 1 and 2. Okay, we need to solve the equation 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2 equations. Okay, how we need to solve? So actually the first equation, the values are less than the second equation, right? So we need to make the higher values. So how much divided by 5 will get 45 for the first equation? So 9. So the first equation to be divided by 9. So 67 into 9, what's the value? Huh? 67 into 9? Online?
603.
606.
3.
603.
Yes, ma'am.
603. So into is equal to 45A plus 45 into 9?
405.
405B. Right? This is the first equation. Second equation, 655 is equal to 45A plus 455B. So this is the second equation we need to solve. So all the place values will be become minus. So minus 45A and plus 45A will be cancelled. Then next, so what is the difference between 655 minus 603? 52, right? 52 is equal to minus 52 will get minus 52 is equal to minus 50. 50B minus minus will be cancelled. So 50B is equal to 52. So B is equal to 52 divided by 50. So what is the value 52 divided by 50? Tell me.
1.04.
So 1.04. So we got value for B completed. So everyone writing with me online?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we solve this by substitution method also?
Yes. If you are very thorough with your maths, so you can solve anyway. Okay? But in examination we need to follow these steps, because there will be a step marking. So they will provide you the marks through your steps. Okay? Next. So B we got. So substitute this in y is equal to a plus b x. If not, okay, if not don't use this formula. You can substitute in either of the first equation or second equation directly. Why to use this formula again? So substitute this b value in either the first equation or in the second equation. So you will get the a value. So tell me what is the a value? Let us substitute it in second equation. So 655 is equal to 45a plus 455 into 1.04. So what is this value? 455 into 1.04. Huh? 445 into 1.04, 473. 473 plus 45A is equal to 655. So 45A is equal to minus 655. 473 minus 655. So minus 182, right? So A is equal to 182 divided by 45. So that is 4.044. Value of A is equal to 4.044. Next we have to do substitute this A and B values in y is equal to A plus bx. Okay, substitute this A and B values in y is equal to A plus bx formula. So what we have got? So let us take x as a first question they have told what? Only the population will be 10 lakhs, right? So am I raising everything? Okay, can I? So in first they have asked 10 lakhs. Population is 10 lakhs. So y is equal to A plus bx. So y is equal to, what is the A value? 4.044 plus b is equal to 1.04 into x is equal to, we have to take this 10 lakhs. So how much the value will be? 10 is, y is equal to, what's the value of this y? And next second one they have told that 20 lakhs. The population is 20 lakhs. So y is equal to A plus bx, that is equal to A is equal to 4.044 plus 1.04 into 20. So what's the value of y? Tell me. What's the value of y and x? Y in the first case and second case? Can anyone? Tell me fast. Ten into 1.04 plus 4.044. So this is 14.44 and 1.04 into 20 plus 'So this is 24.844. What is this value? CT? Something they have asked in the question. What is that? CTV sets. So where the population is 10 lakhs, we have to provide 4.4 lakhs CTV sets. Where the population is only 20 lakhs, then we have to provide 24.844 CTV sets. Is that clear online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So second question you people will be doing tomorrow. Okay, I think tomorrow there will be no class. Okay, so do it. If there is any doubt, ask me in the next class. Okay. Okay.